Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change 2004 Honda Accord oil only way. Begin by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake to secure the car. Warm the engine for a minute to loosen oil, then shut it off. Lay out tools including a 17 mm socket, oil pan, 14 mm wrench, new filter, and 5W30 oil. Wear gloves and protective eyewear before you get under the car. Slide under the car carefully and position your oil pan under the drain plug to catch the oil. Use a 17 mm socket to break the drain plug loose, then fully remove it so oil drains freely. Allow several minutes for oil to stop dripping completely, then inspect the plug and gasket for wear and replace the gasket if needed. Reinstall the plug snugly, but do not over-torque it to avoid damage. Use a filter wrench to remove the old oil filter and check the removed oil for metal shavings or contamination. Lightly coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil and screw the new filter on by hand until snug plus a quarter turn. Refill the engine with the specified amount of 5W30 oil for your model. Start the engine briefly to circulate oil, then check the dipstick and top off to reach the proper level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.